What's up, everybody? It's your Cleveland Cutting Board Weekend Shop update for Sunday the 17th. I think so. 17th sounds right. Anyway, another great week in the shop. I actually had to make a list on the back of a McDonald's bag so I can make sure I cover everything. Pretty decent week. I got called into my day job a few times this week, so it kind of set me back in some areas, but I made up for it by putting in extra hours. So I got the countertop for the Route 60 house. That's 90% complete. I got one more pass of sanding to do on the top and the bottom. That'll be done. I cut the hole or the opening for the sink, which is always kind of nerve-wracking. You put all this work into something and then you just cut it open. So that should be wrapped up for sure this week. The boat tabletop, that is 95% complete. I got the first, it's all built, all done. I got varnish on the top and bottom. And I got second coat on the top. This afternoon I'll put another coat in the bottom. Tomorrow, sand that out, put a final coat on and get that delivered. I think Wednesday or Thursday for sure. The lumber pickup, I got a bunch of sign orders in mahogany, so I went and picked up some mahogany on Friday. Dana and I went to the lumber yard on our way back from the concert we went to, which I'll talk more about in a second. It was awesome. So I picked up some lumber. I have a bunch of mahogany, so if anyone needs mahogany, I bought more than I need. So I have some mahogany for sale. What else? Egg sign. I made my Aunt Linda a sign. She sells eggs. Somebody stole her original sign, so I made her another one in American Cherry for her to put out front for selling eggs. So if you're in Vermillion, you need some farm fresh eggs, go out to Risen Road and check out Linda. She's got some good eggs. So egg sign. I'm working on a project for Blind Dog Gym. I can't remember what the thing is called, but it's basically like a type of like a big weird like a bowling pin kind of. It's a handle on it. It's got a big weight. So I got that glued up. I'm using Sapili. I'll show a better picture of it when it's done, but you can kind of see in the picture the blank and then the prototype, or the one he has already made. He wants one like it. So working on that this week. Got that glued up, get turned. The house, got the house all buttoned up. We fixed a big hole. Like I said, we had what we thought was a little bit of rot. Watched the video last week, had a little bit of rot. Ended up being the whole side. So we took off from 9 feet down, probably a third of the house had to be replaced. So turned out great, did it right, so it's gonna last. So thanks to everybody who offered to help and come out. Randy. Started a big sign project. I mentioned it last week for Kings Cove. I got that one side's done. We work on the other side this week. Get that out by the end of next week. By the end of this coming week for sure. Get that down to him. The Hammond sign's done. We're installing that on. I was gonna do it today, but it's pretty bad today. It's raining. It's gloomy. It's lightning, thundering, and stuff. So not today. What else? Pirate coasters. I made a customer call and ordered some. They wanted a skull and crossbones on a walnut coaster with some red resin, so I made a set, posted it, and you guys bought, I think I sold 6 more sets, so thank you very much. I'll have more coming up here in the next couple of weeks. If you can't tell, I'm not at my shop. I'm actually at my day job today. So yesterday, I got called in. Usually I'm off on Saturdays when I shoot these videos. I got called into work to cover for my partner, and then I had to shoot a wedding. So I was here yesterday from 5 a.m. until 1 p.m. and I went home, got cleaned up, grabbed my gear, and shot a wedding from 3 p.m. until 9 o'clock last night. And then I was back here at 5 this morning. So that's why I'm not in the shop making this video. What else did I say? Can't read my own writing. Anyway, so we did go to the concert on, some of you guys follow me on social media, seen that Dana and I went to the Motley Crue, Def Leppard, Poison, Joan Jett concert on this past Thursday. Awesome. I know they're doing a stadium tour across the country, so if you get a chance, definitely check them out. All the bands sounded better than I thought they would sound. They all played great. So I'm not saying they were quite 1980s caliber, but they, for a bunch of 60 and 70-year-old guys, they did pretty good. Even Mick Mars looked pretty good up there. Joan Jett, just a badass. She was awesome. So anyway, that's the projects for this past week that got wrapped up or started or finished or whatever. Next week, I know I'm working a bunch of overtime here next week, so I'm really going to push this week to get things done. I'm going to head back inside, get back to work before my break is over. You can hear the thunders coming. So that's it for this week. Everyone have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Oh, almost forgot. Things that people say to small business owners. Dumb things people say to small business owners. one I hear regularly is, I wish I had all your free time so I could do the stuff you do. I know people are busy, but 9 times out of 10 when I hear that, it's by someone who's sitting at the bar, and they're at the bar 6 nights a week, or someone who can say they wish they had more free time, but can name you all 10 TV shows they watch all night. I like going to the bar. I just don't go to the bar every single night. I watch the news before I go to bed, maybe a sitcom here and there I record, but I probably watch 3 hours of TV a week, maybe. So I make the time to do what I want to do. Same thing. So anyway, that's the kind of dumb shit people say. Wish I had all your free time. Anyway, have a great week. I'll see you guys next week.
By the recognition, I knew he must have been about 17.